In today's video, I'll show you how to create booking forms in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to collect client details during the booking process, booking forms help you make appointments more organized and professional. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Intake Forms or Forms section from the left-hand menu. This is where you create and manage all booking-related forms. Now click on New Form to create a booking form. Next, give your form a clear name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might name it Client Booking Form or Service Information Form. After that, start adding questions based on the information you need from your clients. You can include fields like name, email, phone number, service preferences, or any special instructions. Choose the appropriate question types, such as short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-down menus, depending on your needs. Once your form is ready, save it. Now, attach the form to your appointment types. This ensures that clients will see the form while booking a specific service. You can also decide whether the form is required or optional before the appointment is confirmed. After linking the form, save your settings. Now, whenever a client books an appointment, they will automatically be prompted to fill out the booking form during the scheduling process. You can review submitted responses inside the appointment details or client profile anytime. Before finishing, test the booking process to make sure the form appears correctly and collects all necessary information. And that's it. You've successfully created booking forms in Acuity Scheduling and improved your client onboarding process. And that's how you create booking forms in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.